Alright, this morning we've got a place to go that's not great. We're going to a funeral. I've been told that the fact that I've mentioned this a few times on the channel is insensitive. I don't know how to feel about that. But we are flying on a private charter plane, and that seems like worthy content. It's exceptionally expensive, and it'd be nice to recoup a little bit of that cost. So you're going to get a little mini adventure video flying on a charter plane. I obviously won't be covering the funeral and everything else like that, but yeah, enjoy an interesting adventure for a reason I'd rather not be having to go. Alright, we're at the terminal. I've had breakfast. I'm still operating on about 2 hours sleep, so this is going to be a fun day. Alright, so I just pulled up flight radar and he's just coming out of the mountains down there now. So should be here any minute. Looks like we're going to be a little bit earlier than expected. Well, we're going to be going around them anyway. We're not going straight over the top of them. There's certain somebody who's worried about going too high. We did this trip previously and we flew over those mountains there. We went up a bit of backstory. These guys had only just had their first year anniversary when his wife passed away, and so yeah, we flew to the wedding and we flew over that way also on a private charter plane. So yeah, this guy should be here in a few minutes. Coming in for a landing. Here's our pilot and our plane.
I'm so excited.
You're excited now? You were scared the last few days.
Down, Dad.
No, the wheels are just touching now. There we go. They're on the tarmac.
Yeah, sorry. Touchdown.
There we go.
Bye. So scared.
You'll be okay, Sierra. We need to go high enough that we don't run into anything as well, you know. It's safer up high.
Yep, seat backs up right.
It's fine, Sierra. It's fine. Okay. Now, we need to go high enough that we don't run into anything, and if we're higher up, what it means
2 hours later.
Alright, so that's the main ceremony done, and we're on our way graveside. Not been a fun day. Stuff up.
2 hours later.
So back on solid ground. Hopefully the trip back won't be so lumpy. Well, it was a pretty smooth flight. It's just once we came down through the layers down below 4,000 it got a bit choppy, but it's you know, hot air, flat land, lots of convection currents, it gets lumpy. Yeah, I gotta find my apprentice and see where she's disappeared to. All right, he's got clearance to taxi by the look of that. Yep. He's doing touch and goes.
Quick.
So you happy to be back on land, Sierra?
I'm bored. Now I finally put my head on the pillow and sleep.
Yeah, and we've got some cold stuff.
You're not going to go to sleep.
It was like 37 over there. Okay.